how to deposit crypto on Gemini Wallet app. If you wish to deposit crypto into your Gemini Wallet account, it's actually fairly simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Gemini Wallet app and then make sure that you sign in to your account using your email and password. Once you're signed in, you want to simply go to your wallet and tap on the receive icon over there. So to receive or deposit crypto, we must receive it from other sources. So you can also either tap on deposit if you want to buy crypto with the fiat currency, or you can go to the receive option to find a deposit address. Select the crypto for which you want. So I have selected Ethereum, so a QR code will be generated and an address here. You can choose to copy this address and try to send it to the sender who's trying to send crypto to you. And thus in that way, you'll be able to deposit crypto to your Gemini Wallet account. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.